Do you want to make 50 or $100 per sale with 30 minutes or maybe up to an hour work every day? Sounds too good to be true. I'm gonna show you this strategy that you guys can start doing today with free traffic and free affiliate programs that you can sign up. But before we do that, we gotta hit that intro. Hello, I came to America in 1993 looking for my American dream. After many years of working regular jobs, I realized this is not what I was looking for when I came to America. 2 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing and creating your online business. How am I gonna start a successful online business doing it part-time, and how I'm gonna apply everything that I learned and show others along the way? This is Carlos. Join me in my journey in Digital Marketpreneur Channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome yet again to another video. My name is Carlos and this is Digital Marketpreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, and the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, hey, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I want to answer any questions that you have. I will make videos so I can answer those specific questions. Share my videos if you know anybody that wants to take these strategies and use them for themselves to make money online. Now, this is a very simple strategy, very powerful, and you can only use 30 minutes a day, up to an hour. Look around and you are going to start making sales if you take action. Guys, there's no magic buttons on this thing. All you gotta do is sign up for a free affiliate program, and I'm gonna show you which one is the one that you guys can use. This completely free and is worldwide, and it's called clickbank. And if you guys are not familiar with clickbank is an affiliate program just like Amazon Associates, where you will sign up for free. You go pick up a niche that you guys want to get in, and there's products for every single category that you decide. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna jump into this strategy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on my computer, and this is a very simple strategy. So the first thing you need to do is you are going to sign up for clickbank. Now, as you can see right here, this is the front page, and you click on this button right here and it shows you all the countries that are available, all the countries that you can sign from and get approved. Then you're gonna enter your information, and once you sign up, you're gonna be prompted to go into this page. Now, this is the front page, guys, and as you can see, the first thing I want to show you is categories, right? And as you can see, there's arts, entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems if you want to get into that specific niche, business and investment, computers and internet, cooking, and food and wine. So what they are is digital products that you guys can make commissions for it. It can't get any easier than that. There's a digital, you are an affiliate, you go and look into these products and services, and then you go look for the marketplace that can use this. Now, this is the one thing that you guys gonna do. Once you are signed up, you're gonna go into the marketplace, and we are gonna go look for health and fitness. All right, so you're gonna go into clickbank and you're gonna look for products. As you can see, this one, TikToks, its biggest payout ever. It gives you a $68 commission for every sale. And we have another one, the flat belly facts is very popular, $44.05. So what we're gonna do is we are going to use forums, okay? Very simple, very easy. Forums are free. You gotta go and sign up for it, and we are gonna go into Google. So we're gonna go into Google and we're gonna enter weight loss forums. So we're gonna look for one. Let's see. Let's click on this one, weight, ever, see what we get here. Okay, so this is a web page. I'm I'm actually looking for an actual forum. Weight loss forums 2019. One personal training weight loss in weeks. Weight loss support forum. We're gonna click on weight loss support forum. Oh, you can see newcomers. There's 15,000 threads, 66,529 messages. Okay, so you are gonna go and gonna sign up. As you can see, you gotta log in, you gotta register first. So this is free to do. Now, one thing that I want you to understand is they have certain rules on these forums. So once you register, you need to go see what the rules are for posting. Now, right here, weight loss in the media, red tea detox is a scam. You're gonna click on this, and as you can see, hey guys, I'm having trouble with losing weight, which I have to put back once again. I know, not me, I have gained 25 kilograms. Anyway, tell me the talks I found on a website, and that was removed, but unsure if actually work. Red, and that sent to the red tea detox. So the problem with this product is that the result varies, might not work. So what you can do is get into some of this and say, well, guess what? I found this program that is not a scam. You gotta reply in here, and then you are gonna take your affiliate link and you're gonna post it on these forums. There's another one that you can go to. It says findaforum.net, and then you're gonna click on categories, and we are gonna go women's health, fitness and exercise. You guys can pick dieting and weight loss. As you can see, 3 fat chicks on a diet. They have 259,329 topics. They have posted over 4 million posts on this one. So you're gonna visit these forums. There's a lot of traffic in there, and then you are gonna go and start answering questions like weight loss support. They have 24,987 threads. So as you can see, they've been posting, and this is very active. As you know, as I mentioned, guys, you have to go and see what are their rules for posts. And if you get, if you get kicked out of one, there's always plenty of them to do. But what you want to do is you want to give value. Now you're probably gonna say, well, Carlos, I don't know much about weight loss. Well, you are gonna go and look and see what people are asking. Let's click on this one, weight loss, and how much. Let's see what we got here. So it says increasing metabolism, increasing energy levels. So I've always been a heavier sleeper, and more recently I'm tired. As anyone here says, to overcome sluggish metabolism and energy levels through lifestyle changes. What did you do? So you read this right here, and then you go and try to find the answer to it. You will reply, and when you reply, you are gonna put in that thread. Let's see, if you miss breakfast, see, like this one, if it's giving value, then at the bottom, by the way, if you want more energy, I found this workout. And what you gotta do is, you don't want to take this link right here. You gotta go into the product, you're gonna create the hub link, right? And as you can see, this right here is not a very nice link. So you gotta take this, you're gonna copy it, you gotta copy that, and then you're gonna go to a website like bitly.com. What it does is they shorten your links. So you're gonna click on the link, you're gonna paste it, and then you're gonna shorten it. Okay, so you're gonna copy that, and then you are going to go back to the forum, and then you're gonna look into the answers that they have. You answer with value, and in the bottom you go, by the way, I have this product that I know is gonna help you with let's say with your metabolism problem and increasing your energy levels. And then you're gonna write down, and then you are going to put your link, because it's a shortened link, then it doesn't look as spammy. And then you're gonna go over and you're gonna check all these other ones. And as you can see, you gotta go over and you gotta start looking for other forums, and you are going to get eventually sales. But as you can see, there's this active low carb forums, 153,224 members. Let's see, low carb friends, they have 184,423 topics. So if you take a half an hour and you go through them and answer as many as possible in half an hour, you can start making sales and you can start earning commissions with clickbank products. So just remember, guys, don't just go and paste those links and put them in these forums without giving any value. You are gonna get kicked out, and then you are gonna have your accounts deleted. If you don't have the answer, go look on Google if you don't know anything about the niche that you want to use, because you have to be resourceful. If you're not resourceful, you're not gonna succeed at anything, especially online, and the answers are out there, guys. So this is a very simple strategy. It's free. It's free for you to sign up with clickbank, and it's free to join these forums. So all it takes is for you guys to take action. If you guys don't take action, you are not gonna succeed at anything. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you got a lot of value in this video, that you actually take this strategy and go put it into action today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want more videos like this with new strategies on how to make money online, hit that button that says subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell notification button. Also, share these videos if you know someone that wants to start making money online, and I will see you guys in the next one.